Okay guys, it's time for my next set and I want to talk about using straps versus just lifting row. Using straps on exercise like upright rows, bent over rows, deadlifts, chin-ups and pull-ups versus doing them without the use of any straps or anything. In my opinion, it's a better idea to not use straps, just to do all of your pulling movements raw, because that's going to build your forearms and each exercise is going to feed the other. Rows are going to feed the chin-ups and pull-ups and the deadlift is going to feed the chin-ups, pull-ups and the rows, because all of them build the forearms. So let's start. Just don't use any straps, don't waste your money. You're just going to have weak forearms, and weak and small forearms, that's not cool. Let's start the set. Actually, if you're not a novice lifter and you have weak forearms for some reason, I don't know why you use straps, you can do some reverse curls or hammer curls to build your forearms, and just stop using straps, do everything raw on your pulling movements to fix that.